మేడం మీరు చదువుతారా? అన్నపూర్ణ గారు, అన్నపూర్ణ గారు మీరు చదవండి. నౌ లెట్ us give some rest to శ్రీధర్ గారు.
చదువుతానండి.
Yeah, please. This is the beginning of Uttarakanda. It is only 10 verses, 91 to 100. Very interesting. No quarrel, no jagada, no fights here. Even Ramarajya. How Ramarajya was is described here beautifully. Na putra maranam kimchit
నా పుత్ర మరణం కించిత్
rakshanti purushaha kvachit ద్రక్షంతి పురుషాః క్వచిత్. మేడం మీరు మ్యూట్ చేశారు, మ్యూట్ చేయకండి. అన్మ్యూట్ చేయాలి. యా ఓకే ఓకే మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను. నా పుత్ర మరణం కించిత్
నా పుత్ర మరణం కించిత్
ద్రక్షంతి పురుషాః క్వచిత్
ద్రక్ష్యంతి పురుషాః క్వచిత్
నార్యాః చ అవిధవా
నార్యాశ్చ విధవా
నార్యా చ అవిధవా నిత్యం.
నార్యాశ్చ అవిధవా నిత్యం.
See, vidhava means one without husband. Abhidhava means without this unfortunate condition. Nobody was like in this condition. That means every lady was a Saubhagyavati. That is what it says. Everybody was a Saubhagyavati. They enjoy in the company of their husbands, spouses. Na putra maranam kinchit
నా పుత్ర మరణం కించిత్
rakshanti purushaः क्वचित्
దక్ష్యంతి పురుషాః క్వచిత్
నార్యాశ్చ విధవా నిత్యం
నార్యాశ్చ విధవా నిత్యం
భవిష్యంతి పతివ్రతాః.
భవిష్యంతి పతివ్రతాః.
न किंचित म्हणजे nowhere would क्वचित पुरुषाः द्रक्ष्यन्ति पुत्र मरणम. Because normally we expect that everybody will have long life, everybody will live till longevity. That means the parents will live long, their children also will live long. So there is no situation when younger person dies when the elder person is alive. This becomes an untimely death. That means there were no untimely death in Ramarajya. Na kimchit kvachit purushaha dakshanti, will they ever witness death of their sons. And na aryaha avidhava, no women will be widowed. Nityam bhavishyanti pativrataha, they will all remain devoted to their husbands. But everybody will be pativrata, everybody will be saubhagyavati, everybody will be happy. Every person, parents and their children, they all will have long life. They will live their natural life. That's what we call, everybody will live for 100 years. No, what is called akala maranam. So that is the greatness of Ramarajya. No akala maranam. No, and also in their life also they will be very happy. That is what it says. Nacha agnijam. We'll read in 8 parts now. 3 verses, 6 parts. Nacha agnijam bhayam kinchit.
Nacha agnijam bhayam kinchit.
Agnijam means arising from the fire. That means there will be no fire accidents. Nacha agnijam bhayam kinchit.
Nacha agnijam bhayam kinchit.
No fear of any fire accidents. Nacha agnijam bhayam kinchit.
Nacha agnijam bhayam kinchit.
Na apsu majjanti jantavaha.
Na apsu majjanti jantavaha.
Vatajam bhayam kinchit.
Na vatajam bhayam kinchit.
Na api jvarakrutam tatha.
Na api jvarakrutam tatha.
Na cha api kshudra bhayam tatra.
Na cha api kshudbhayam tatra.
Kshudra bhayam tatra.
Kshudbhayam tatra.
Na taskara bhayam tatha.
Na taskara bhayam tatha.
You can see this. Nata न तत्र जन्तवः न किंचित अग्निजं bhayam. That means na tatra, in the reign of Rama, jantavaha, for any living being, for any citizen living in under Rama, for any citizen in Rama Rajya, there was not even a slight fear due to fire. Namajjanti apsuhu, there was no fear due to water. Nobody will drown in water. He says, not even a little danger due to wind. Wind means tsunami, cyclones. No danger because of wind. And no fear from Jvarakrutam, fever. Now, what is COVID? COVID is a type of flu. It is a fever. It is arising from fever. He says, no types of these health problems. No fear from fever. And no fear from hunger. Kshudra bhayam. People die of starvation in these times. So that time there was no fear of starvation and no fear from thieves because everybody was contented, everybody's requirement was met. There was no need for anybody to snatch anything from anybody. So this is a very good description of a Ramarajya. Nachagni bhayam kinchit,
न चाग्निजं भयं किञ्चित्
nachagnijam bhayam kinchit,
न चाग्निजं भयं किञ्चित्
napsu majjanti jantavaha,
नाप्सु मज्जन्ति जन्तवः
navatajam bhayam kinchit,
न वातजं भयं किञ्चित्
napi jvarakrutam tatha,
नापि ज्वरकृतं तथा
nachapi kshudbhayam tatra,
न चापि क्षुद्भयं तत्र
न taskarabhayam tatha.
न तस्करभयं तथा.
That means no fear, no problems, they were all happy. Nagarani cha rashtrani,
नगराणि च राष्ट्राणि
dhanadhanya yutani cha,
धनधान्ययुतानि च
nityam pramuditaha sarve,
नित्यं प्रमुदिताः सर्वे
yatha krutayuge tatha.
यथा कृतयुगे तथा.
It is all the people, all cities and villages, not only cities, villages also, were affluent, were full of wealth and food grains. That means there was an all-round prosperity in the entire kingdom, not only selectively in some important places, but entire kingdom, everything was everybody. And as in a Kruta Yuga, that was an example. In Treta Yuga, they were quoting Kruta Yuga. Now we quote Treta Yuga, like that. They were quoting Krita Yuga. They say, like in Krita Yuga, so also in Ramarajya, Sarve Nityam Pramuditaha. All the people were always happy. Very, very nice description. Nagarani cha rashtrani,
नगराणि च राष्ट्राणि
dhanadhanya yutani cha,
धनधान्ययुतानि च
nityam pramudita sarve,
नित्यं प्रमुदिता सर्वे
yatha krutayuge tatha.
यथा कृतयुगे तथा.
Ashvamedham shatairishtva,
अश्वमेधं शतैर्विष्ट्वा
Ashvamedha shataihi ishtva,
अश्वमेधशतैर्विष्ट्वा
तथा bahusuvarnakaihi.
तथा बहुसुवर्णकैः.
That means Rama performed 100 Ashwamedha yagnas. Ishtva means yagna. Rama performed 100 yagnas. And also he performed yagnas we are known as Suvarnakaihi, where gold is distributed liberally. Such yagnas also Rama performed. And naturally, the gods were fully satisfied with Rama, who performed 100 Ashwamedha sacrifice. Shataihi Ashwamedhaihi Tatha Bahusuvarnakaihi. Another yagna, like Ashwamedha yagna, another yagna called Suvarnaka yagna, that also Rama performed, where gold is given as charity on a large scale. Ashwamedha Shatairishtva
अश्वमेधशतैर्विष्ट्वा
Tatha Bahusuvarnakaihi
तथा बहुसुवर्णकैः.
Gavam Kotyayutam Dattva
गवां कोट्ययुतं दत्त्वा
ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यसि
ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यते
असंख्येयं धनं दत्त्वा
असंख्येयं धनं दत्त्वा
ब्राह्मणेभ्यो महायशाः
ब्राह्मणेभ्यो महायसाः.
great renowned Rama, after bestowing hundreds of thousands kotya yutam, hundreds of crores of cows like Godana, not one, but Kotya Yutam Gaudana, and bestowing Asankheyam Dhanam, immense wealth, on all the deserving Brahmins, will return to Brahmaloka. Now, this is very interesting. You see, it says Prayasyati, will return to Brahmalokam. This is in a future tense. Now, sage Valmiki, when he wrote this, he wrote it before the events happened. Maharshi Valmiki was able to see the future. He wrote about events which already had taken place, like Ramarajya already was in progress, but Uttarakhanda was still going on. Rama was continuing to rule the world. At that time, he wrote Uttarakhanda also, looking into the future. He says, Lord Rama is ruling now. Everybody is happy in Ramarajya. He will rule like this for maybe 11,000 years. And then at the end of 11,000 years, during which he will perform lot of Ashwamedha Yagnas, then he will return to Vaikuntha. Then he will proceed. So he is telling in a future tense. This is very interesting. Gavam kotya yutam datva
गवां कोट्ययुतं दत्त्वा
brahmalokam prayasyati
ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यति
asankheyam dhanam datva
असंख्येयं धनं दत्त्वा
brahmanebhyo mahayashaha
ब्राह्मणेभ्यो महायसा
rajavamshan shatagunan
राजवंशान् शतगुणान्
स्थापयिष्यति राघवः
स्थापयिष्यति राघवः
चातुर्वर्ण्यं च लोकेऽस्मिन्
चातुर्वर्णं च लोकेऽस्मिन्
स्वे स्वे धर्मे नियोक्ष्यति.
ते स्वे धर्मे नियोक्ष्यति.
You can see all these things are in future tense only. Rama will establish hundredfold royal dynasties. That means he will bring order in the entire Bharatakhanda, entire Bharatavarsha. He will establish proper kings, employ all the castes will be given their respective dharma to do respective duties in this world. Also in a future tense. Rajavamshan Shatagunan
राजवंशान् शतगुणान्
स्थापयिष्यति राघवः
स्थापयिष्यति राघवः
चातुर्वर्ण्यं च लोकेऽस्मिन्
चातुर्वर्णं च लोकेऽस्मिन्
स्वे स्वे धर्मे नियोक्ष्यति.
स्वे स्वे धर्मे नियोक्ष्यति.
दशवर्षसहस्राणि
दशवर्षसहस्राणि
दशवर्षशतानि च
दशवर्षशतानि च
रामो राज्यम् उपासित्वा
रामो राज्यम् उपासित्वा
ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यति.
ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यति.
Actually, before Rama was born, Lord Brahma had given an assurance to all the gods that I will take birth in a human form as son of Dasharatha, kill Ravana, and rule for 11,000 years. That is 11,000 means Dasha Shatani, Dasa Sahasrani. Dasa Sahasrani means 10,000 years. Dasa Sahasrani Varsham and Dasa Shatani Varsham, 10,000 years and 10,100 years. That means in all 11,000 years. 11,000 years Ramarajya was there in Treta Yuga. Rama reigning the kingdom for 10,000 years and 10,100 years, then will attain Brahmaloka. Then he will go back to his Parandhama, Vaikuntha. Dashavarsha Sahasrani
दशवर्षसहस्राणि
दशवर्षशतानि च
दशवर्षशतानि च
रामो राज्यमुपासित्वा
रामो राज्यमुपासित्वा
ब्रह्मलोकप्रयास्यति।
ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यति
ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यति।
ब्रह्मलोकं प्रयास्यति.
Now, with this, Rama's his reign and is going back to Vaikuntha is there. Now, what follows is like your Phalashruti. Idam pavitram papagnam
इदं पवित्रं पापघ्नं
punyam vedaihi cha sammitam.
पुण्यं दैवेश्च सम्मितं
Punyam vedaischa sammitam.
पुण्यं वेदैश्च सम्मितं
Yaga patet ramacharitam.
यः पठेत् रामचरितं
Yaga patet ramacharitam.
यः पठेत् रामचरितं
सर्वपापैहि प्रमुच्यते.
सर्वपापैः प्रमुच्यते.
Idam pavitram and punyam papagnam. This story of Lord Rama, what we call Ramayana, is sacred, pavitram, and holy. Papagnam. It destroys sins. And sammitam vedaihi. Because all of us cannot read Vedas and Upanishads. So at least we can read Ramayana, which is equal to that. That's what it says. It is equal to Vedas. It is equal to Upanishads. And it says, whoever reads the story of Rama will be freed from all sins. Yagapatet Ramacharitam Sarva Papaihi Pramuchyate. Freed from all sins. Idam Pavitram Papagnam
इदं पवित्रं पापघ्नं
पुण्यं वेदैश्च सम्मितं
पुण्यं वेदैश्च सम्मितं
यः पठेत् रामचरितं
यः पठेत् रामचरितं
सर्वपापैः प्रमुच्यते।
सर्वपापैः प्रमुच्यते.
एतद् आख्यानम् आयुष्यं
एतत् आख्यानम् आयुष्यं
पठन् रामायणं नरः।
पठन् रामायणं नरः
एतदाख्यानमायुष्यं
एतदाख्यानमायुष्यं
पठन् रामायणं नरः।
पठन् रामायणं नरः
सपुत्रपौत्रः सगणः.
सपुत्रपौत्रः सगणः.
Not only the individual, his family, his children, grandchildren, all the families. Saputra pautraha saganaha.
सपुत्रपौत्रः सगणः.
Reading together. Saputra pautra saganaha.
सपुत्रपौत्रः सगणः.
Pretya swarge mahiyate.
प्रेत्य स्वर्गे महीयते.
That means after living in this world for 100 years and a normal life, then they will attain Swarga. Etat Ramayanam, this story of Ramayana, Ahushyam, it enhances longevity. Naraha Patan Adakhyanam, for those who read it and recite it. You can read it, you can recite it. For those who do like this, it will enhance their longevity. Ayushyam. Then, after living fully here in a normal, fruitful life, Mahiyate Swarge, they will be worshipped not only here, respected not only here, but respected in the heaven also. Not only themselves, along with their sons and grandsons. Sa putra pautraha, sa ganaha, along with servants and relations. So if you read, you are doing good for all your family and friends also, not only for yourself. Suppose we 15 people are reading Ramayana here, it is good for all pranamites, all our friends, wherever they are. So that is the greatness of Ramayana. Etadakhyanam
एतदाख्यानमायुष्यं
Patan Ramayanam Naraha
पठन् रामायणं नरः
Saputra Pautra Saganaha
सपुत्रपौत्रः सगणः
प्रेत्य स्वर्गे महीयते.
प्रेत्य स्वर्गे महीयते.
Patan Dvijaha. Now we'll read like this. For all the four communities, for all the categories, what are the benefits they are given? First Dvijaha, then Kshatriyaha, then Vanik Janaha, then Shudraha. All the four, what benefits they get, respective benefits are shown here. Patan Dvijaha,
पठन् द्विजः
Vak Rushabhatvam Iyat.
वाग्घृषभत्वम् ईयात्.
Patan Dvijaha,
पठन् द्विजः
Vak Rushabhatvam Iyat.
वाग्वृषभत्वम् ईयात्.
That means they will attain proficiency in knowledge. Because Brahmins are the persons who are supposed to pursue knowledge, read Vedas. So they will become proficient in that particular activity. Syat Kshatriyaha
स्यात् क्षत्रियः
Bhumipatitvam Iyat.
भूमिपतित्वम् ईयात्.
Syat Kshatriyaha Bhumipatitvam Iyat.
स्यात् क्षत्रियः भूमिपतित्वम् ईयात्.
That means a Kshatriya will get lordship over land. That means he will become a king, he will become a good ruler. Vanijjanaha
वणिज्जनः
Panyaphalatvam Iyat.
पण्यफलत्वम् ईयात्.
Panya is price. They will get appropriate price. For whatever business they are doing, they will get proper profits. They will get it. Phalam, fruits of their investment, they will get it. In the modern world, if I invest something, accordingly, I get the proper dividend. If I buy shares, I get proper dividend on that. If I deposit the money in a bank, I get proper interest on that. That's the meaning of that. Vanijjanaha Panyaphalatvam Iyat.
वणिज्जनः पुण्यफलत्वम् ईयात्.
Janaha Chasudraha.
जनश्च शूद्रः
Janaha Shasudraya Api.
जनश्च शूद्रः अपि
Mahatvam Iyat.
महत्वम् ईयात्.
Actually, in the proper sense today, all of us who are servants, who are government servants, or who are working in a private sector, or working in somebody, we come under this category of service. We render service. We are the service class. He says for the service class, Mahatma means you get proper recognition, proper reward. For the efforts you put, you will get appropriate rewards. We all, I think most of us fall in the fourth category. Brahmins means the knowledgeable people, the wise people, the saints and sages. They should be Brahmins. Anybody who is protecting the law and order, army, police, soldiers, all these people, they come under the Kshatriya category in today's world. Anybody is doing business, enterprise, setting up companies, who is investing their money, they are the people, they come under the category of Vanik Janaha. They get appropriate interest, dividend, etc. And all of us who render service in one way or the other, we come under the category of public servants or government servants. We also, for us also benefits are there. That benefit is we get Mahatvam Iyat. We get appropriate reward and recognition for the hard, sincere work which we are putting. So that is the interpretation which you would like to give. Patan Vijo Rushabhatpamiyat.
पठन् द्विजो वाग्भृषभत्वम् ईयात्.
Patan Vijo Vak Rushabhatpamiyat.
पठन् द्विजो वाग्भृषभत्वम् ईयात्.
Syat Kshatriyo Bhumipatitvamiyat.
स्यात् क्षत्रियो भूमिपतित्वम् ईयात्.
Vanijjanaha Panyaphalamiyat.
वणिज्जनः पुण्यफलत्वम् ईयात्.
Not Punya, Panya. Panya is
Panya.
price. Punya is Punya Papa. That's different. Vanijjanaha Panyaphalattvamiyat.
वणिज्जनः पण्यफलत्वम् ईयात्.
Janascha Sudropi Mahatvamiyat.
जनश्च शूद्रोऽपि महत्त्वम् ईयात्.
That's what he says. Patan, by reading Ramayana, a Brahmin becomes proficient in the 18 branches of learning. A Kshatriya gets lordship over landed positions. A Vaishya gets the fruits of his business. A Shudra attains greatness. This we have to read properly and interpret correctly, which I have done now. Let us read the final sloka once more. Patan dvijo vakrishabhatvamiyat
पठन् द्विजो वाग्वृषभत्वमीयात्
kshat kshatriyo bhumipatitvamiyat
स्यात् क्षत्रियो भूमिपतित्वमीयात्
vanijjanaka panyafalattvamiyat
वणिज्जनः पण्यफलत्वमीयात्
janascha sudropi mahatvamiyat.
जनश्च शूद्रोऽपि महत्त्वमीयात्.
So with this we come to the conclusion of the what we call Sankshipta Ramayana, first 100 verses of the first sarga of Ramayana. Ityarshe
इत्याश्रे
Srimad Ramayane
श्रीमद् रामायणे
Valmiki Adikavye
वाल्मीकीय आदिकाव्ये
Balakande
बालकाण्डे
Srimad Ramayana Katha Sankshepo
श्रीमद् रामायण कथा संक्षेपो
Srimad Ramayana Katha
श्रीमद् रामायण कथा
संक्षेपो नाम प्रथम सर्गः.
क्षेपो नाम प्रथमः सर्गः.
You were able to read the entire thing together. Nice. Srimad Ramayana Katha Sankshepo Nama Prathama Sargaha.
श्रीमद् रामायण कथा संक्षेपो मम प्रथमः सर्गः.
Let us read fast. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane
इत्यासे श्रीमद् रामायणे
Valmiki Adikavye Balakande
वाल्मीकीय आदिकाण्डे बालकाण्डे
Srimad Ramayana Katha Sankshepo Nama Prathama Sargaha.
श्रीमद् रामायण कथा संक्षेपो नाम प्रथमः सर्गः.
Thus ends the first sarga of Balakanda of Holy Ramayana in a synopsis form, appearing in the first epic composed by sage Valmiki. Ramayana Katha Sampurnam.
रामायण कथा संपूर्णम्.